How to log into your BritBox account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that BritBox is installed on your phone, and then from there you can simply open the application, right? So after opening the application here, what you're going to do is make sure that you do remember all of the credentials of your BritBox account. So after making sure that you do remember, there's no such very complicated process. All you need to do is simply fill up all of those credentials on the right box, and then you can simply tap on login in order to log into your BritBox. So if unfortunately you have forgotten the password of your BritBox account, then what you can do is simply tap on the option forgot your password under the password box that you'll be able to see, right? So all you need to do is simply tap on that link and you will get into a specific link where you can add in the email address of your BritBox account. Then you might actually get a 6-digit code for verification, or you might actually also get a reset link on your email. So all you need to do is open your email inbox, and then from there you can simply open that email link, and then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password, and just like that you will actually be able to log into your BritBox account even after forgetting your password. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.